case was, what went into it, what's cool about it, and what's going to convince the judges that you should be first place.
No pressure, right?
No, it's only about 4,000 people out there, maybe 10,000 people on. Name first.
My name is Adam Owen. From Chicago, Illinois. I've been coming here since 6. I love QuakeCon. Thank you for running this event. Really, thank you very much. All of you. The inspiration behind this case is actually a computer I built a couple years back with the same kind of lighting. I knew that I could do an audio controller. I wanted something that could show that. I wanted an open air case, which made it very complicated to hide all the wiring. So there's a lot of stuff that goes into that to make that happen. And I think I've come up with a pretty good idea. And if you want to see why I should win, play some music.
So, do we have a DJ? Can we play some music?
That's really cool. That is.
Something that the judges might want to call their attention to, which is... So can these guys... Oh, there you go. So, was that something you had to just for QuakeCon, or is that... did you build it specifically for the event, or you had it for a while, or...
I've been working 10 hours a day on it. And it was built for this event, like the plaque in the front shows as well. I don't know if you saw that. It links with everything else. It was built for QuakeCon. This is the event I live for every year as far as case modding goes. It's awesome.
So did you drive down here with the case? Did you fly? Because getting a computer on a plane is kind of a trick these days, right?
This is the first year I did not drive down here. I had a group of friends who were nice enough to bring this down for me in the car. I flew down.
Oh, well, thanks to the friends if you would, right? They actually drive the computer all the way down. Well, good luck. Any last words on why yours should what would think that you would persuade the judges other than play music?
Because
there's a lot of hardware in there. I go into all the specs and whatnot, but I would be here all night.
Will it play Quake 3 at 120 frames a second?
More than that, by quite a bit.
Will it play Doom 3 at 120 frames a second?
I would hope so.
All right, what do we have next? Is it Green?